So continuing on with these practice problems, we're going to be doing number 12 and 13. So pause the video, work on them, and then resume after you are finished. So number 12, it says you receive 15 pounds of spare ribs and the AFRS calls for 31 pounds per 100. What is your working factor? So these are pretty simple. So you read the question and then figure out what type of formula or problem you're going to be working with. So your keyword in this one was received. So I know I'm going to end up doing a limited ingredient problem. So the formula for that is either your received RCVD, used, or issued. You divide that by your AFRS, what your recipe card calls for. So in this case again, it said you receive 15 pounds. So the 15, of course, you would put on top. So 15 pounds, you divide it by your AFRS, what the recipe card calls for. It says the AFRS calls for 31 pounds per 100. So you gotta do, with this one, it's just divided by your 31 pounds. So 15 divided by 31. So you got 0.48. 0.48 is your working factor. So that is your final answer for this one. Again, since it's 4 below, we just leave it like that. So number 13, it said you received 720 pounds of chicken and the AFRS calls for 72 pounds. So since you received 720 pounds, that number goes on top. So 720, and you divide it by your AFRS, what the recipe card calls for. So it says your AFRS calls for 72 pounds, so that number goes at the bottom. So divide these two numbers together to get your answer. So 720 divided by 72. So that equals 10. So 10 would be your working factor for this second problem.